will find the solutions of those questions. There are up to 18 questions are there, all bits. Here this is first year maths A. Okay, maths A. So we start with the, so it is very important chapter. There are many formulas are there. So you have to go through this all formulas, very important given in your textbook of like key concepts are like the formulas at the last of the chapter. So every formula is very important for your preparation. Okay, so to get score 75 marks, it is very important to by heart every formula and practice every formula and practice every question with the examples also. So in this chapter I want to say this, we are starting this chapter in now. So every formula and every example of this chapter very important, please practice. Now start with the first section. Here first section, first question is given that convert the following into the simple form, simplest form or simple form. We can say that here simplest form. So here first question is given that tan of theta minus 14 pi here given. Solution. So he asking us to like convert it to the simplest form here. So tan of solution, tan of theta minus 14 pi is given here is equal to, I will write is tan of minus I will common 14 pi minus theta I will write here. Okay, minus will come out, it will become minus tan of 14 pi minus theta will become here. Now tan we can write it as tan of this, I will write as 7 into 2 pi minus theta. So this is okay, 7 into 2 pi minus theta I will write this one. So this answer will become minus tan theta 7 n into like it will become minus of minus tan theta will become here. So minus into minus plus here it will become plus tan theta here. So I will say here how it will came here. So this is the formula where we have to use the sine of like sine of n into 360 minus theta divided by cos of n into 360 minus theta. This is the formula where we have to use this one. So here sin n into 360 minus theta is equal to minus sin theta will come here divided by cos of n into 360 minus theta is equal to cos theta will come. So this will lead to the tan theta here. So okay, this tan theta I took here. Here minus is there na, minus tan theta. So thus this minus tan theta will come with this one. So here in place there is 7 is there. That's why I took the value of tan theta here. So as the formula I did here, so this is the answer here, minus into minus plus become, it will become answer tan theta here. So before this going to this chapter and starting these problems, please practice your formulas, then only you will understand here. Now moving to the second question. Here second question is given that cot of 21 pi by 2 minus theta here. Here cot of 21 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to, here I can write it as cot of 10 pi plus pi by 2, I will write it as minus 2. This I will write. Okay. So now with this cot of, I will write this as 5 into 2 pi plus pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, so this will become cot of, before the same like this one, this is 360 will become same like this. First question is, in the first question we did this na, so sin theta by cos theta is equal to, now cos theta by sin theta is equal to we do here. Okay, so here value will come cot of pi by 2 minus theta. So this total will become like cot of write this formula n into 360 plus theta is equal to, we can write it as cot theta. So this is theta, we think that here. So n into 360 plus theta. So this will come here. So cot of 90 minus theta is equal to, we can write it as tan theta. This is 5 by 2 means 90 only na. So here cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So this is answer. Now moving to the third one here. Now third one solution here. So third one is question is given that cosecant of 5 pi plus theta here. Cosecant of 5 pi plus theta is given is equal to cosecant. We can write it as 2 pi plus 3 pi plus theta. So this I will write here. It will become cosecant 360 plus theta is equal to cosecant 360 cosecant theta means this one 3 pi plus theta will come here, and again this will write it as cosecant 3 pi I will write it as 2 pi plus pi plus theta. So it will become same, cosecant pi plus theta will come here. Cosecant 180 minus theta is equal to minus theta minus cosecant theta, cosecant theta. So this is also one formula. Here we can say that sin 180 minus 180 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta will come here. So this is the formula or identity we have to here take here. So cosecant will come of inverse, no, sin theta is equal to, so cosecant theta. So this will come here. So that's why I took example of this one. So here minus cosecant theta will come as the answer here. Now moving to the fourth question. Here fourth question is given that secant 4 pi minus theta is equal to given here. Solution: secant 4 pi minus theta is equal to I will write it as secant 2 pi plus of 2 pi minus theta I will write. So it will become secant 2 pi minus theta will come here. So 4 only, na, so okay, right, secant 2 pi minus theta here. So the answer will become here secant theta. Okay, answer is secant theta. Here we can secant 180 360 minus theta is equal to secant theta. In this cos 360 minus theta is equal to also cos theta, and here minus is there, we'll do plus also cos 360 plus theta is equal to cos theta. So everywhere you do the theta cos theta will come, and in the same form secant also will come here. In the 360 or secant 360 plus theta is equal to also secant theta will come here. So this is I have to explain here. This is the formulas. Please write it down in your textbook also there. Go there and practice more here. Here second bit given, find the value of each of the following. Find the values. He asking us to find the value of. Okay, solution here. He given that sin of 405, sin of minus 405, sin of minus 405 is given here, degrees is equal to minus sin of 405 we can write. Okay, it will become sin of I will write it as 360 plus 45 will write. So sin of 360 plus sin of 360 plus theta is equal to what we can write it as 360 minus tan theta, sin 60 tan theta. We can write it as sin minus sin 45. What is the sin 45 value? What is the sin 45 value? 1 by root 2 minus of 1 by root 2. So this is the answer here. Now moving to the next question. Here next question is given that cos of minus 7 pi by 2. Solution here, cos of cos of minus 7 pi by 2 here given. It will become cos of 7 pi by 2 will come here, and minus cos of 7 pi by 2, 7 into 180 divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 90 ja, it will become minus cos of 7 3 ja 63, right, 630 will come here, and 630 means we can write it as cos of 360 plus 270 we can write it as. Okay, minus cos of 360 plus theta is equal to minus cos 270 will come here. We can write it as minus cos of 180 plus 90 we can write it as minus cos of 90. Cos 90 is equal to 0, right, this is the value here. Okay, next question. Here next question is given, third one solution here given. Question is given secant of 2100 given, secant 2100 is given. So we can write it as secant of 2100, and I will write is we can write it as 5 into 360 plus 300 and 300. Okay, here 5 into 360 is equal to 1800, 1800 plus 300 2100. We can write it as secant of something, this will come as a 300, that is the formula is there, cos n into 360 plus theta is equal to cos theta. In that form it will come like this. Okay, this secant also will come like that only, secant of n into 360 plus theta is equal to secant theta. So practice these formulas, make a note of that one. Here we can write it as secant 360 minus 60, so it will become secant 60. So secant 60 is equal to value is cos 60 is equal to how much? 1 by 2. So this is answer here. But here secant 60 is there, is equal to 2. So cos theta is equal to 1 by secant na. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So from this value I will do secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta is equal to 60, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will go subside and it will become will 2. So this is answer 2. Now moving to the next question. Dear students, here given that cutoff solution here, the cutoff minus 315 degrees is given here. So in this cutoff we can write it as minus cot theta, okay, and 315 is given na? So I will write it as cutoff 360 minus 45 I will write here. Now it will become 360 minus 45, it will become minus cutoff like minus cutoff 45 will come here. So it will become minus into minus plus cot 45 is equal to 1 here. So 1 is the answer here. Now third question is evaluate the following. So first one is given that cos square 45, cos square 135, cos square 225, cos square 315 here given. So cos square 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square we can write directly. Here cos of 135 is there, 90 plus theta, cos 45 sin 95 minus sin 95, 90 plus theta, 90 plus 45 means 45 will come sin 45, sin 45 value, sin 45 value cos of 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta will come. It will become minus 1 by root 2 will whole square will come here, plus here also cos of we can write it as 270 minus theta is equal to theta, in place of theta I will take it as 45, it will become 225 na, so 225 will take it as this one, so it will become cos of 270 minus theta is equal to minus sin theta means minus sin of 45 will come here. So sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 whole square again, plus so this is also we can write it as cos of 360 minus 45 we can write it as 360 minus 45 means it will become cos 360 minus 45 cos theta only, so not minus, it will become only plus cos 45 will come. So cos 45 1 by root 2 whole square will come. So this is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus we can say that 1 by 4 only here, and here 1 by 4, but not 1 by 4, sorry I forgot, the root will get cancelled na? So this root will get cancelled here, so it will become 2 only, sorry 2 and 2, so all will become LCM 2 only here, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 4 here, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, it equal to 2 answer here, it is a 2 answer here. Now